First, we'll open the trunk. From the edge of the taillight, we will take out these two covers, and I'll be using a screwdriver like that. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that spot right there and then pull out the cover. First cover is out. Second cover is also out, and there we got both the covers taken out. Behind the covers, notice there are two screws, and we will be taking them out with a Phillips screwdriver. There's the first screw taken out. Second screw also out. Once both the screws are taken out, now we will push the taillight outwards from the edge, and we will keep pushing it until the point the complete taillight is popped out. There you notice the taillight popping out. We'll pull out the harness from that bracket first, and then we will take out that plug right there. To take out the plug, we will press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is out. Similar way, we will take out the second plug right there, press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. With both the plugs taken out, there we got the taillight taken out completely. Now in my case, the taillight is good, so I will be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new taillight and you want to install it back, all we have to do is go ahead and punch in the plugs. Notice the bigger plug, which is this, it has to go in that spot right there. We'll go ahead and punch it inside. There it is, first plug is in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the other plug. Notice the tap side of the plug has to be on the opposite side right there. So we will go ahead and punch this in just like that. With that, we got both the plugs completely in. Also, in the beginning, if you remember, we pulled out this portion of the wiring from that bracket right there. So again, we will make sure this harness is sitting behind that bracket right there. Now we're good to go ahead and punch this taillight back. Before putting this taillight back, notice there are two pointers coming out, one right here and the other one right there, and these two pointers are supposed to go into these two positions right there. We'll go ahead and put the taillight back, keeping in mind those two positions. Once the taillight is completely in, only then we will give it a push from this side. Just like that. Now we will go ahead and put back the screws from the other end. First, we will just punch in both the screws. Once both the screws are in, only then we will go ahead and tighten them till the very end. Bottom screw is tight, and top screw is also tight. Now we will go ahead and put back both the plastic covers. Notice the bottom portion of the cover has some space right there. That has to go at the bottom side. And the other side that has a tab on top, that has to go on the upside. We'll go ahead and punch in the top portion first. Once the top portion is in, then we push the bottom portion. First cover is completely in. Same goes for the other plastic cover. We punch in the top portion with the tab first. Top portion is in, then we punch in the bottom portion. Just like that. With that, we are done with the replacement of taillight completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.